This is a propane. I have aluminum sheets. Types of aluminum sheets. Thin, very thin aluminum sheets that I'm going to hit with propane. I have 3 of them. I have a total of 5, but I'm only going to use about 3 of them for a controlled set. Now, I'm going to have it so that the amount of propane that's being given off is very low. That might be a little bit too high. Can you see it now? It just has to be a small amount of heat. This is a tricky procedure because if it's too high, it might melt the aluminum. Might have to increase the temperature in the propane amount because it's a little bit too low. It puts dents into it, but it doesn't create color patterns. But it's still interesting. See? It doesn't create these color patterns, but it creates these patterns with the propane. It doesn't anneal, but it creates these for it to melt it requires at least 660 degrees Celsius on the metal. To do that kind of damage, it needs 660 degrees, which takes some time for it to heat up the metal. As you can see now, it's heating up the metal. Molten aluminum metal it turns it into, so you gotta be very careful. Kind of a little bit of a disappointment, but it still works. See? Yeah, it melts it quite quickly. And that just fell off. aluminum patterns on aluminum shapes. This doesn't really anneal, it just melts and creates different interesting patterns. It can be done, but it's very carefully. As you can see, it's starting to create these interesting patterns. Now turn off the propane. I'm going to take a picture of this and do a better quality control picture for the thing, but this is interesting the way it creates these little patterns. Maybe I should show you the final result. That is pretty cool when you think of it, what it does. I'm disappointed that it can't produce annealing temperatures. The data that I got online says it can at 200, 300 degrees Fahrenheit, but I think they use special chemicals and special equipment to do it, because normal propane should, in theory, do that, but it doesn't. Thanks for watching this video.